You are talking up a storm, Jazzy. Okay, so I'm going to try to show you the blue Cere here. This is my female. I know, you got the most gorgeous eyes. And here's what I'm talking about, that blue Cere. She's... Let's see, I'll show you real quick. Like, there's a ton of budgies and doves in here. Yes, I need to clean the cage, I'm sorry. And they're all switching Cere colors. And you can see the tint of blue. It's on your little... It's on your fur baby. Right? Yeah, travel, the lady that brought her to me dislodged her jaw because she didn't transport her properly. On accident, I guess. Mama needs to clean you up, baby girl. You got the prettiest little eyes. Hi. Hi, princess. Hi. I know, you're so loving. She's my little porker. But I don't know if you can see that. Like, she was always like brown, like brown, like the color of her feet. And then now she's getting this crazy blue on her. So it's odd. Hi, baby girl. You're so pretty.